Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make some lovely Madumbe curry. I have 500 grams of Madumbes, which we actually bought from Durban. And for those Madumbe, we need, the ingredients are, I got a small onion sliced, two round tomatoes grated. The round tomato is sort of a bitter taste, so it's good to use for our Madumbe curry where it makes it a little sour. But other than that, you can use a tablespoon of imli if you don't have this bitter tomatoes. And thereafter, I have a teaspoon of crushed garlic, a teaspoon of rough salt, half a cup of oil, and 2 heaped teaspoons of mixed masala, which I already have my curry leaf in it, and 1 teaspoon of hurdee to give it the beautiful color. Okay, before starting, I actually had my madumbes washed out and dried, because when peeling off the madumbe is sort of little sticky in. So whatever sandy part and dirt in the madumbe, it sticks. So that's the reason why you wash your madumbe thoroughly and dry them out, and then you peel them and then wash it again. This is how we peel our madumbes. But when you like just boiled madumbe, don't peel them. You can just wash them and boil them. It can be a tea time snack with the fine salt, crushed chilies. It tastes very nice. Madumbes are actually, they're very rich in protein and they're very nutritious. Okay, these are the madumbes that we turn it into curry or boil, but the leaves are actually used for making a puri pata. The stems of the madumbe tree can actually be used turning into a chutney by steaming it and squeezing it dry with a cloth and braising it with a little bit of dry fish in it.
Yeah, so Madumbes originated in Southeast Asia. It's actually the Taro plant, and I think it's a sort of an underground stem, so like a rhizome or a corm of the plant that the Madumbe that we're cooking today is. And many different sort of cultures use the Madumbe as almost a staple.
It even goes very well with your beans curry. It thickens the curry, and it's lovely eating madumbes with beans curry.
As a substitute for potato.
Yes. These are my madumbes that I cut out, and I rinsed it, and it's looking very clean. Now I'm going to start braising my madumbe. This is my pot is on medium heat. I put in my half a cup of oil. First I'll fry out my onions. Okay, my onions are nice and golden brown. Thereafter I'll add in my crushed garlic. And then I'll add in my masala that already has the curry leaf, and let it to fry out by putting my flames slightly lower. Then in the low heat, I am going to place in my Madumbes. And thereafter, I will add in my teaspoon of salt, but you can add salt to your taste. I'll give it a nice stir and I'll cover the pot with the lid and let it to allow to cook for about 10 minutes. And the masala will actually color the madumbe. Madumbe is a very quick cooking. Okay, 10 minutes has passed us. See how nice it fried on a very low heat and it's looking into a beautiful color. Thereafter, gradually, I will add in my tomato, grated tomato. But up to this point, if you feel you like your madumbes a little sour, you can add in a tablespoon of imli and it will make your curry sour. But I did make mention using round tomato. Round tomatoes is slightly sour and jam tomatoes are sweet. I will leave this for another 10 minutes and maybe add in a cup of water for it to boil. Okay, now 10 minutes has passed us and the tomatoes are cooked in thoroughly and it's looking very beautiful in color. I've got a cup of water that I'm going to add in gradually to actually boil out the madumbes and allow it to get into a thick curry. Then gradually I will increase my heat. This curry will take another 15 minutes, but bear in mind you have to feel how it's softened. Okay, 15 minutes has passed us. The madumbes are almost done, but I needed to put another half a cup of water for a little bit gravy. I like my madumbes with a thick gravy, but madumbe can actually go being absolutely dry without gravy or extra gravy, but we are having it with a little gravy. So I add in my other half a cup of water and give it another 10 minutes. Here you go, my Madumbe curry is finally done. As I said, there's 3 ways. You could make it absolutely dry, or if you like a lot of gravy, but we like it with just this thick gravy, which was 500 grams of Madumbe to 1.5 cup water. And now I'm ready to actually garnish it, and then we'll do the serving. I've got a little bit of Dhania and I'm just going to garnish it with the Dhania, not making it too leafy. There you go, an all-time favorite Madumbe curry, which can be served with variety types of breads, any types of rice, mielie rice, roti, mielie meal roti, and as we prefer it, we love having it with our roti, and it can be served with a nice fresh salad on the side. Thank you all for watching.